Hi, today our topic is comparative and superlative degree. Let us see what is comparative degree. We use the comparative degree when we compare two persons or two things with each other. For changing positive degree into comparative degree, we should add er or more to the adjective. Let us see few examples. Raju is taller than Ravi. This house is bigger than that one. She is nicer than him. Here, one boy is compared with another one person. One house is compared with another one house. Let us see few examples for comparative degree. The girl is compared with the tower. I am shorter than the tower. Here short is adjective. To convert the adjective into comparative degree, we should add either er or most. Here short is one syllable word, so we are adding er plus than. Next, the two houses were compared. This house is more beautiful than that house. Here, beautiful is the adjective. It is a three syllable word. So, we are using more in front of the adjective. This house is more beautiful than that house. One house is compared with another house. Let us see what is superlative degree. We use the superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or things with one another. It is the highest degree of quality. If you want to compare one person or thing with more than two persons or things, we use comparate superlative degree. So we should add est or most to the adjective. Let us see the example. Peter is the smallest boy in the class. Here Peter is compared with all the other boys in the class. So we should use superlative degree. Smart is the adjective. It is a single syllable word. So we are adding est to convert positive degree into superlative degree. Alice is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. Here the Alice is compared with all the other girls in the neighborhood. Here sweet is adjective. It is a single syllable word, so we are adding est to convert positive degree into superlative degree. Here blue whale is compared with all the other animals. Large is single syllable word, so we are adding est to the adjective. Let us see few examples for superlative degree. Here the fish is compared with all the other sea animals. I am the most beautiful animal in the sea. Here beautiful is the adjective. It is three syllable word, so we are using most in front of the superlative degree. Here the boy is compared with all the other boys in the class. I am the tallest boy in the class. Here the adjective is tall, so it is single syllable word, so we are adding est to the adjective. Let us see some rules for comparative and superlative degree. If the adjective is single syllable word, if it ends with e, then you should add r to the comparative degree and est to the superlative degree. If a word ends with, if the adjective ends with consonant, vowel, consonant, CVC pattern, we should double the last letter and add er to the comparative degree and est to the superlative degree. If a word ends with one vowel or more than one consonant at the end, just add er to the comparative degree and est to the superlative degree. If the adjective is two or more syllable word, if the adjective ends with y, we should remove y, add, change the y into I, then add er to the comparative degree and est to the superlative degree. If the word is not ending with y, it is more than two or more syllable word, we should add in front of comparative degree and most in front of superlative degree. Let us see few examples. Poor, poorer, poorest. Rich, richer, richest. Here these are single syllable words, so we are adding er and est. Let us see words with two or more syllables. For that we should add more in front of comparative and most in front of superlative. Uncommon, more uncommon, most uncommon. Unusual, more unusual, most unusual. Let us see few more example with more and most. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So keep it in your mind. Whether the adjective is more than two syllable word, you should use more in front of comparative and most in front of superlative. If the adjective is single syllable word, then you should add er to the comparative and est to the superlative degree. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Let us see few exercises. Complete the sentences with the superlative form of adjective. Here, one object or thing or person will be compared with many other persons or thing. In that situation, we should use superlative degree. Tokyo is the most expensive city to live in. The cheetah is the tallest animal. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Football is the most popular sport in South America. This is the smallest mobile in the shop. Take the bus. It's cheapest way to get around. I think this is one of the most difficult exercises in the book. Mr. Roberts is one of the best teachers in the school. So if it is a adjective is a single syllable word, we should add est. If it is more than two syllable word, you should use most in front of the superlative degree. Let us see some more exercises. January has got dash days than February. More, most. The answer is more. The giraffe is dash animal in the world. Taller, tallest. Tallest animal is the correct answer. Lion or dash than elephants. More dangerous, most dangerous. More dangerous is the correct answer. The Nile is dash river in Africa. The longest, the longer. The longest is the correct answer. Thanks for watching.